Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Malwarebytes Premium for ransomware defense easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Malwarebytes Premium, open your preferred web browser. Visit the official Malwarebytes website at www.malwarebytes.com. On the home page, look for the For Home option, typically located in the navigation menu. Click on For Home to view the available products. Select Malwarebytes Premium to learn more about its features. You will see an option to try it free or buy now. If you want to start with a trial, click on Try it free. This will fill in the required information, including your email address. You may need to create a secure password for your account. Once completed, click on Start Free Trial. The software will then begin downloading automatically to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder or on your desktop. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Malwarebytes Premium. Once installation is complete, launch the Malwarebytes application. Sign in using the account credentials you just created. If you decide to purchase the premium license instead of the trial, go back to the main product page. Click on Buy Now to proceed with the purchase. Select the plan that best suits your needs, such as a 1-year or multi-device license. Fill in your payment information as requested. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Malwarebytes application and sign in with your credentials. Activate your premium license by entering the key provided in the confirmation email. After activation, ensure that ransomware protection is enabled in the settings menu. You are now fully set up with Malwarebytes Premium for ransomware defense. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with robust malware protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.